In this video, we're going to show you how to cap or uncap your frame rate or your FPS on Counter-Strike 2. All right, so we are in Counter-Strike 2. What you want to do is, you have to have it installed in your PC. So go to your library and then find Counter-Strike 2, which is it's here on the left-hand side. Right-click on it and then click on Properties. And in Properties, you're going to be seeing General, right? So in General, you're going to look all the way down. You're going to see Launch Options. Right? Advanced users may choose to enter modifications to their launch options. So, right, paste this, as you can see, plus FPS underscore max 0 plus CL underscore show FPS 1. So these are, you can, add or set your FPS higher or lower with this command. So you need to figure out, again, another thing is you need to figure out if your system can handle whatever FPS you want. So yeah, it's that easy. This is pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.